Hey everybody, it's Abhishek Roka, and in this video, I'm going to solve a doubt. Yeah, few days back, one of my friend actually asked me about what is a Python environment. I should say Python virtual environment. So this video is all dedicated to you, my dear friend. So what is a virtual environment? So let me take an example. So let's take this box, your computer, and this computer has Python installed. Okay, now this computer has a certain version of Python, and Python also has certain libraries like NumPy, Pandas, the external libraries I'm actually talking about. And you got a project, and now you have to make a website, and which has nothing to do with machine learning and data analytics also, and you just have to write APIs. And what that API is all about is just about authentication. Okay, so now thing is, your whole computer has an environment to work with what? To work with data analytics and machine learning. But you got a project to create a authentication APIs. Okay, now if you think you will download authentication APIs, external modules or external libraries to your computer, it will going to mix up with your machine learning libraries, as you say machine learning environment. And later on, if you want to deploy your project somewhere in the internet, and you will create a requirements.txt file, you will get your machine learning libraries also listed in that file. So one option is keep things this way, and later on remove those machine learning libraries from that requirements.txt file. And there is a second way, and this is a much smarter way, and it is to create a separate environment. And instead of having anything a new computer, no, I'm not talking about new computer, but creating a virtual environment. Okay, so this environment is your real environment, and you have to use another Python environment. But instead of investing money for new computer or a server, you are going to virtualize this Python, and for that you create a small Python environment. Okay, so this one is for your internet thing. Okay, so this one is for your APIs. Okay, and this big one was actually for ML and data analytics. Okay, analytics. And hope so that in future you got some other project, and now you have to build a GUI app, I should say graphical user interface, a GUI, and it has nothing to do but just forecast a weather. And it will use APIs, but it will not create an API, but it actually fetch an API, and it requires another library. And it also have to show things differently, I should say something like a very interactive, or I should say a very appealing Python GUI using Kiwi. So you just create that thing, and for that you actually created another environment. So by this way you actually separate your real environment and your work environment, I'll say your project environment, or in a better terms, it is your virtual environment. Okay, so by this way the concept of virtual environment works. And in coming videos I will show you how to create your virtual environment in your computer, man. And where, okay, so that's all for this video. I will see you next time. And if you have any doubts, you can let me know. And you're smart, I know, you will let me know, whether it's in comments, whether it's like DM to me or anything. So it's your friend Abhishek Roka, and I will see you next time.